did a very deep dive and took a look at all of the cost. Medyo mahirap po kasi nga ayaw basta-basta't magbigay ng cost yung iba or ayaw magpa-quote and everything. So basically, so we're using, para to avoid arguments and debates, no, we're going to use two terms, project total building cost, and the other one is, so the project cost estimate means the whole project kasama lupa, kasi kasama sa project yon. The building cost is only the cost nung yung building alone. So pasensya ka na, projected total building cost to. So meron din lang yung project total cost, di ba? So ito total nung building, hindi kasama yung lupa dyan.